When you're in the kitchen, a mini food processor can make all the difference. While traditional food processors can be bulky and take up a lot of space, a mini food processor offers the same versatility in a smaller, more compact design. They're great for chopping, grating, and pureeing without the hassle of large attachments or taking over your counter space. Whether you're making baby food, grinding spices, or prepping ingredients for a quick meal, these handy little appliances are perfect for smaller jobs. I have listed 5 of the best mini food processors for 2024. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. LaReviews Mini Food Processor. This mini food processor stands out as the best compact option for those seeking an efficient yet space-saving solution for daily food preparation. With a modest 2-cup bowl capacity, it's perfect for individuals or small households, including those making baby food. Despite its compact size, this processor packs a punch with a 200-watt motor, allowing for effective chopping and pureeing of various ingredients, including onions, veggies, fruits, herbs, and even meats. The pulse control feature ensures precise chopping, and the stainless steel blades remain sharp for consistent results. One of the most convenient aspects of this food processor is its easy assembly and cleanup. The fully detachable parts, including a dishwasher-safe bowl and lid, simplify the cleaning process. This is further complemented by its built-in oil dispenser, a thoughtful touch for those who enjoy making homemade dressings or sauces. A spatula is also included for added convenience. In terms of safety, this one comes with a safe locking lid, giving users peace of mind. It's built to meet North American electrical standards, ensuring reliability and performance. If you're after a mini food processor that's both efficient and designed with ease of use in mind, this model is an excellent choice. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Food Chopper. This food processor is the best affordable option for budget-conscious consumers who still want dependable performance. With a 1.5-cup capacity, it's slightly smaller than other models but perfect for quick, small batches of chopped ingredients. Whether you're making salsas, chopping vegetables, or preparing vinaigrettes, this food processor can handle it with ease. The bi-level stainless steel blades provide a sharp and durable edge, ensuring efficient chopping each time. One of the key features of this processor is its oil holes in the lid, allowing you to add oil gradually while preparing hummus or dressings. This design makes it simple to create emulsified mixtures without making a mess. Additionally, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup after use. At just 1.2 pounds, this model is extremely lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. Although it may not have advanced features like programmable settings or a large capacity, its simplicity makes it perfect for everyday kitchen tasks. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable food processor that covers the basics, this option is an excellent choice. Number 3. Cuisinart Food Processor. This food processor takes the title of Best Versatile Option thanks to its powerful 250-watt motor and reversible stainless steel blade. Whether you need to chop, grind, or puree, this food processor offers 2 processing options, making it highly adaptable for various kitchen tasks. The 24-ounce bowl, although not the largest, is more than adequate for most home cooking needs, and it even comes with a handle for easy use. One standout feature is the Smart Power blade, which automatically reverses to handle both chopping and grinding with precision. This innovation sets the Cuisinart apart from other basic models. The push-button control panel is user-friendly and ensures that operating a processor is a breeze. Additionally, all bowl and lid parts are dishwasher-safe, ensuring an easy cleanup process. Although this model isn't recommended for grinding beans, it excels in a wide variety of tasks like preparing dressings, dips, and chopping vegetables. The inclusion of a spatula and an instruction or recipe book adds even more value, making it an ideal tool for both beginners and experienced cooks. If versatility and ease of use are priorities, this food processor is a top contender. Number 2. Ninja Fuby 900B. For those who require power and functionality, this is the best powerful option on the list. With an impressive 400-watt motor, this food processor is built to handle more than just chopping. It can transform ice cubes into creamy frozen drinks and desserts, making it a versatile kitchen tool for both food preparation and beverage creation. The interchangeable master pod is one of the standout features of this processor. It allows you to easily switch between the 48-ounce Master Prep pitcher and the 2-cup Master Prep bowl, giving you the flexibility to prepare everything from smoothies to perfectly chopped salads and dips. The storage lids included with the pitcher and bowl help keep your creations fresh, making meal prep more convenient. What sets this model apart from others is its easy storage and dishwasher-safe parts. All attachments, except the motor base, can be placed on the top rack of your dishwasher for quick and hassle-free cleaning. If you're looking for a powerful, multifunctional food processor that can handle a wide range of tasks, from chopping to blending, this is your best bet. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Mini Food Processor. And here it is, this mini food processor earns the top spot as the best overall option for its combination of convenience, power, and ease of use. With a 3-cup capacity, it's larger than many other mini processors, making it suitable for both small and larger food prep tasks. The 350-watt motor provides enough power to handle tough ingredients like nuts, herbs, and vegetables, making it a reliable choice for most kitchen needs. What makes this processor stand out is its patented stack and press design, which eliminates the need for tricky twist locking mechanisms. Simply stack the bowl and lid, press down to chop, and release to stop. It's that simple. The stainless steel blades are highly effective at chopping, pureeing, and emulsifying ingredients, while the oil dispenser on the lid makes it easy to create dressings and sauces. Cleanup is also a breeze, as the bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a food processor that offers both power and simplicity, with a capacity to handle everyday tasks as well as more demanding recipes, this mini food processor is an all-around winner. And there you have it, the best mini food processors of 2024, ready to make your kitchen tasks quicker and easier. Whether you're whipping up sauces, chopping veggies, or blending smoothies, these compact powerhouses have got you covered. If any of these caught your eye, be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food lovers, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!